Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I decided to do some Valentine's Day nails because Valentine's Day is next month. I definitely will be doing more Valentine's themed nails as it gets closer to Valentine's Day. So what I started doing first is I'm taking a builder gel, and this is a rubber based builder gel, and I'm using that as my base coat. I recently transitioned from using a regular gel polish as a base to builder gel. In my opinion, I like the way that builder gel looks when it comes to Gel X nails. It just looks better than using a regular gel polish to me.
Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Oh, hey, hey, baby, when we gon' slide, slide. I don't care if we on a run, nothing matters when we one-on-one. Looking at us cause we going dumb. We on the same wave, you the same way. You know I'll be down if it's with you. Where we going, baby, what's the move? We should take a trip up to the moon. Get a room, doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. And we up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Oh, I got 5, you know it's so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide. Baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey, up all night, baby, when we gon' slide.
If you're not too familiar with builder gel, what I am doing right now is I'm holding the nail upside down for a few seconds so that I can let gravity do the work for me. Builder gel is self-leveling, so when I flip it upside down and let gravity do the work, it's just me making sure that the builder gel is applied to the nail evenly and I have a smooth surface.
Drop it, give me 50, girl, drop it, give me 50. You should slide with me, but you be tripping when you miss me. You gon' hold me close and on your neck gon' be a hit. I ain't gotta do too much, I know what get you stick. I ain't gotta know astrology, I know your vibe. Skip the foreplay, you don't let niggas fuck with your mind. I ain't giving out apology when I'm behind. Fucking up the streets of the brand new ride.
Moving too fast, candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Oh, I got 5, you know it's so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide. Baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey, up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide.
Now, after I've done my base color, I am pouring out all of my pinks because I wanted to use different shades of pink for this nail set, and I didn't have a very light pink, so I took the lightest pink that I had and I'm adding a little white gel polish to it to make it lighter.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away, come chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an episode that we play. Sit right next to you. How I feel about you, think of it today. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you, yeah, I just wanna feel you. I want you around.
didn't want to be repetitive and bore you guys with me showing me doing every single French tip, so I only did one on camera and then the rest off camera. Now I am adding my top coat because once I do the heart designs, I won't be able to add the top coat after that, so I'm just adding it right now.
What I feel, sometimes it's hard to tell you so. You may not be in the mood to learn what you think you know. There are times when I find you wanna keep yourself from me, but I don't have the strength.
For the heart design, you are going to need clear acrylic, and what I'm doing is I'm taking a dotting tool and I'm placing 2 dots where I want the top of the heart to be. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take a very thin liner brush. I always say a very thin liner brush is the key to having good nail art when it comes to lines. So I'm going to take a very thin liner brush and I'm going to connect the 2 dots and basically just draw a heart. The 2 dots are there to help you draw the heart. They're basically there as guidelines, but if you can freehand a heart without those, then you can do that as well.
It's hard for me to understand. So many things have taken place before this love affair began. But if you feel more like I feel, confusion can't give way.
I honestly had to cut out a lot of the parts of me drawing the hearts because I kept going out of frame because I would try to get really close to the nail, and I would go out of frame without noticing it. So I'm sorry about that, but I'm pretty sure you guys get the point and how to do it.
Should you ever feel the need to wonder why? Let me know. Let me know. Let me know.
This is how the nail looks once I finish drawing the hearts. I wanted a mix of small and big hearts. So do not cure the nail after you've drawn the hearts. Do not, because the acrylic, this is what the acrylic is used for. You're going to pour the acrylic over the uncured gel and then you're going to cure the gel. I'm just taking a cuticle pusher to do this, and you're going to pour that acrylic over the nail as many times as you want. I wanted to make sure that all the hearts were covered really good, so that's why I'm pouring the acrylic over a bunch of times. And then you're going to cure it for 60 seconds, and then after that you're going to dust off the excess acrylic powder.
Got trippy on them private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think.
And this is what your nail should look like once it is cured.
Keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end. I want you on scene. Think you know your girl's so funny to me.
Once I got to the second nail, I found that going ahead and placing all of my dots where I want the hearts to be and then connecting all of them is way faster than placing 2 dots and then drawing the heart and then placing another 2 hearts and drawing the hearts. So placing all your dots all at once and then drawing all of the hearts all at once is way faster than doing it the way I did my thumb.
No one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? You know what you got is good, that's why you refuse to let me walk out to life. You refuse to match up with my vibe. You keep wasting my time. You keep wasting my time. Don't you on scene? Think you know your girl's so funny to me. That's why you think I left by 1 or 2 times. Got tired of your shit, you almost lost your mind. mistake I made. I'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the golden rain. And I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause our house is not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? You know what you got is good, that's why you refuse to let me walk out your life. You refuse to match up with my vibe. Keep wasting my time, keep wasting my time. Back up on my bullshit, back up on the scene. Done dealing with you, don't know how to deal with me. Done fucking with you, don't know how to love me. Done dealing with you, so it seemed like I get so much, I don't get nothing back. I really thought it was love, but you're so fucking whack. Always get caught up in love, but I am done with that. I can't get caught up in love, so now I'm, flexing on my exes and my Model X. Pretty little, skinny, little bitty body Model X. Some of y'all ain't never had no real bitch and it shows. I keep it 100 from my head down to my toes. Back up on my bullshit, back up on the move. Touchdown in my hometown, got nothing to lose. I am on my own now, I am in control now. I need you to go now, I can fix my own crown. Back up on my bullshit, back up on the scene. Don't dealing with you, don't know how to deal with me. I'm fucking with you, don't know how to love me. I'm dealing with you, so I'm back, bitch. Back on my pussy, back on my dish, you in the studio. Back on tequila, back on the strippers, all the groupie hoes. This could get ugly, I'm petty, I want you bad out of smoke. I'm coming crazy, baby, baby, one thing that you should know. Little baby, bounce back, act like you a stranger, Memory loss, I play it like that. Call your boys, I'm getting about that. Faded up to 42 quarters, too important. Blue dream inside the roll up, hold up. Watch me go up, leave you so stuck. I'm back and I'm better, think me. One bitch on my level, ain't no question. I'm a legend, baby. Don't ever forget it. No, you see me rolling in this rose gold, so cold. Oh no, I can't fuck with lanes like you no more. Back up on the scene, out here acting foolish like I'm 17. I just bought a new whip, don't need gasoline. I just think you're no bitch, boosted my self-esteem. Back up on my bullshit, back up on the scene. Done dealing with you, don't know how to deal with me. Done fucking with you, don't know how to love me. Done dealing with you, so I'm back, bitch. Back to my legs, and my Model X. Legs on my legs, and my Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only go like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want.
This is how the nails turn out. They were really easy to do. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in the next one.
Look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My hope is front like Jackie Brown.
Hey, buddy.
I wanna know, but she too down.